Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will show you how to turn off Google Assistant on your phone. The first thing you should do is open the Google app on your phone, and then you have to click on your profile, your Google account on the top right corner of your screen, and then choose settings menu. It's right here. Just press the settings menu and then choose Google Assistant. It's over here, and scroll down your screen until you find general option. It's right here. Click on general option, and if you want to turn off the Google Assistant, you have to click on this toggle button. Click on it and choose turn off. Okay guys, that's how we can turn off the Google Assistant from our phone. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!